Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this new set of binoculars to go ahead and review, and it's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm actually out here in my backyard right now. I've been doing some bird watching all morning, and I've been using these, and they work really, really well. First things I wanted to show you right off the bat is they're nice and compact. They are small. They are, as an adult, I can use them. I'm a big guy. I can use them just fine, but they are also small enough to work for a child. They could easily fit in a child's hands. They're less than a pound. It does come with a neck strap. You just attach it. It's adjustable as well, so it fits fine for me. But for a child, you could go ahead and tighten it up a little bit. They do open and close a little bit, giving you kind of that you can kind of set for different facial sizes. And then on the front here, these are actually really nice. They're nice and soft rubber, but you can kind of push them on and out, not for adjustment, but more for comfort level. So however your distance for your eyes works, you can push them out, you can pull, you can twist them in, whatever you want. To go ahead and actually adjust the focus, you use this center knob here. So again, with kids, it's nice and easy to use. You just go ahead and hold them up, and they are relatively easy to sharpen. There we go. And I am looking, wow, that's actually pretty good. Let me go ahead and try to show you how well they work. So here we are, the bird flew away, but I was just watching some birds up in the very top of that tree. And this is what it looks like just for me standing here on the ground as a human being. But now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use my binoculars, and I'll try to show you how great they are for seeing things so far away. And there we go. We can see the top of the tree real well. I can sharpen it a little more. It's hard to show with an iPhone, but it's actually very clear, and I'm so much nicer, so much closer. So there's the top of the tree with the binoculars, and there it is far away. You can see the difference. It really is pretty amazing. Another great selling point with these binoculars is they actually come with their own carrying case. It's not a bag, it's actually a case. It has hard sides, but has a cloth cover, so it's not going to scratch anything. It comes with instructions. It comes with a little rag for actually cleaning off the lenses. There is a little mesh thing for holding other accessories. And it also comes with a little lens protector. You can actually put this under the lenses when you store it, and it'll kind of just keep them from getting scratched up as well. So that's actually really nice. I love things with cases because it makes it easy. This is a square case, which is real nice, and it even has a little wrist strap. So that's a big selling point for me. I like being able to put things into a case and keep them safe. So overall, yeah, these are great little binoculars. They are good medium grade binoculars. Again, perfect for kids if you're going to go on vacation, field trips, zoos, bird watching, any kind of outdoor activity. These binoculars are wonderful. They'd be a good first set of binoculars for a child. But as an adult, if you just need some binoculars around the house, do some simple bird watching. It's a good mix of field of view as well as distance measurement. It's a good center mix, this 12 by 25. And these Alatinos, again, nice, lightweight, great. I highly recommend these.